Good morning, everyone. My name is Lee Xingyi, and today we are here to present the role of data analysis in reducing supply chain bottleneck. Supply chains are complex and often face bottlenecks that cause delay, higher costs, and poor service. Data analysis help address this issue by providing real-time visibility across supplier, warehouse, and transportation. With technologies such as AI, machine learning, and IoT, companies can analyze large amounts of data quickly. This allows them to detect delay early, predict demand, and make better decisions. Overall, data analysis is essential for improving performance and building more resilient supply chain. In the past, supply chains were mostly manual and problems were only noticed after delay occurs. A bottleneck happens when one part cannot keep up, such as slow suppliers, transport issue, or warehouse congestion. Today, digital tools like ERP, RFID, and IoT and cloud systems provide better visibility. Data analysis supports this by explaining what's happened, why it's happened, and what action should be taken. Research shows that analysis improves forecasting, inventory management, transport planning, and supplier performance. Although challenges like poor data quality and lack of skill remain, analysis is still essential for reducing bottleneck and improving overall supply chain performance.
My name is Gamin I'll present current issue or trends, theory versus reality. Data analytics is often said to be a strong way to reduce supply chain problem. In theory, companies can use real-time data, forecasting tool, and tracking system to notice delay before they happen. However, reality is not always the same as the theory. Many businesses still face issues when using data analytics. One major issue is poor data quality. The first trend is GPS and load sensor. In theory, these two help companies remove bottlenecks like slow warehouse handling or port congestion by providing immediate shipment update. In reality, technology cannot solve physical problems such as port congestion or labor shortage. Another trend is predictive risk analytics. In theory, companies can detect supplier failure, transport delay, or shortage week ahead. But in reality, many lack the process or backup plan to act on these insights. Besides that, the issue is skill get among workers. Theory assumes that employees know how to use dashboard and understand the data. But in reality, in some small-scale companies, most of the workers do not experience proper training. They are not always used well even when the tools are available. Not only that, another issue is high cost for adopting data analytics system. Theory assumes that companies can easily invest in new software, sensor, or upgrade IT system. But in reality, especially in some small business, find this technology too expensive and cannot be afforded. In conclusion, data analytics is useful in theory, but real-world issues prevent it from working as perfectly as expected.
This slide highlights the main challenge that arise when organizations use data analytics in supply chain operations. First, poor data quality is a major issue. Incomplete or inaccurate inventory data and inconsistent data formats can lead to wrong decisions, extra delays, and higher operational costs. Next is the lack of system integrations. Systems such as ERP, WMS, and TMS are not often being connected, causing the data to be scattered. This slows down information flows and delays the decision making. Lastly, there is a lack of technical skill and analytics capabilities. Many employees do not have strong analytics skill, and higher training costs result in analytic tools being underutilized. In addition, organizations also face high implementation costs. Advanced analytics systems are expensive, including training and maintenance costs, making it difficult for SME to afford. This delays digital transformations and forces companies to continue manual processes. Another important challenge is cybersecurity and data privacy risks. Data breaches, ransomware attacks, and system shutdowns can occur, leading to the loss of customer and supplier data. Overall, these challenges limit the effectiveness of data analytics in improving supply chain performance. Thank you.
My name is Tina. I will continue to present the past research. Previous studies show that predictive analytics and AI play an important role in reducing supply chain bottleneck. First, choice warriors and one-for that AI-based predictive models can forecast demand trends and detect inventory bottleneck early. This helps us reduce the bootstrap effect and improve coordination between production and logistics, supporting faster decision-making in complex supply chain. Next, Lee and Megalaring review big data analytics in supply chain management. Their studies show that predictive analytics support demand forecasting and disruption prediction, while predictive analytics optimize inventory and transportation. When combined, this analytics improve efficiency and flexibility, helping firms reduce operation bottleneck. The third is Possibility Reading and Sharma highlighted that machine learning enables accurate supply chain by predicting risks and optimizing resources. This allows real-time adjustment, reduces delay and waste, and enhances supply chain resilience. At Johanny, this marketer that predictive analytics using historical and real-time data help firms identify risks early and take proactive action, improving agility and data-driven decision-making. Finally, Upatiraju emphasizes that predictive analytics enable proactive disruption management by predicting demand change and production disruption, preventing major bottlenecks and strengthening supply chain resilience. Overall, past research confirmed that predictive analytics and machine learning are essential for efficient and resilient supply chains.
My name is Wendy Wong. Now I will present about the future impact. Managerial perspective. Firstly, the future managerial impact of data analytics is the most important as it, in turn, is the shift to a scenario of a proactive and predictive decision making. As predictive analytics continues to develop, future managers will have access to real-time error and early warning based on the demand trend, capacity, information, and transportation indicator. This will eventually transform the managerial roles in the basic way that the manager is less of a reactive problem solver and more of the strategy planner. Secondly, the major impact on the future is the enhancement of increased supply chain visibility in every functional area. Analytics system combine real-time information provided by supplier, warehouse, logistic partner, manufacturing plant, and sales channel. The manager can view of the entire of the supply chain, eliminate information gaps, and allow faster detection of delay or disruption. Better visibility also improve coordination across department, aligning production, procurement, and transportation. Lastly, data analysis will drive the automation of key operational decisions, reducing reliance on manual judgment. Smart systems will be used to handle activity like demand forecasting, inventory replenishment, and delivery routing to enable the making of decisions more quickly and correctly. This reduces human error and speed up decision making. Manager focus more on analysis and strategy improvement. Automation enhance efficiency, eliminate bottleneck, and enhance supply chain agility. Next, industry perspective. From an industry perspective, the generation of data-driven logistic network will likely be one of the most radical effects of data analytics. IoT, RFID, and GPS data optimize routine and fleet management. Disruptions like traffic, port delay, low store can be predicted and fixed quickly. This leads to the shorten of lead time, enhanced use of resources, and easy transfer of resources in the supply chain. Besides that, the other significant impact is the transition to the ecosystem-wide integration, where in manufacture, logistic provider, distributor, and retailer exchange information using cloud-based system. This minimizes information gaps, reduce the bullwhip effect, and bottleneck created by siloed information. It enables fast, coordinated response to market change and disruption. Finally, the advance of predictive and prescriptive analytics. It can identify bottleneck and recommend corrective action, help reallocate inventory, adjust production, or shift supplier. Company gains competitive advantage through accuracy, risk reduction, and efficiency. Issue finding. The first one is poor data quality and accuracy. When the data of the analytic system is incomplete, old-fashioned, or not consistent, the inference produced are inaccurate, consequently resulting in the wrong decision. Manual data entry increase human error in inventory, delivery update, and supplier information. Weak data quality make it difficult to detect bottleneck or predict disruption accurately. The second major issue is the failures to integrate the supply chain system. There are several platforms like Enterprise Result Planning (ERD), Warehouse Management System (WMS), Transportation Management System (TMS), and Supplier Database. They are used in different silos in most companies. Fragment data cache delay, weak visibility, and slow information flow. Besides that, the other major issue is the increasing skill gaps in data analytics between supply chain professionals. Many managers and employees lack analytical or technical skill, can be overlooked, misunderstood, or wrongly implemented without an appropriate understanding. These skill gaps identify the need for structured training, the hiring of specialized data professionals, and upskilling initiatives. Lastly, cybersecurity issues are a major issue to the massive use of analytics. Cloud-based and real-time data systems increase vulnerability to cyber attack and data breach. Weak analytic system may reveal sensitive information about supplier, disrupt the logistic coordination, or even shut down. Strong cybersecurity and data protection system can only be guaranteed to building trust and facilitate safe analytic-led optimization.
In conclusion, data analysis play an important role in reducing supply chain bottleneck. It provides real-time insight that help companies detect problems early, improve efficiency, and build more resilient supply chains. However, technology alone is not enough. Many companies still face challenges such as poor data quality, system limitations, and lack of skilled employees. This shows the need for better data management, integration, and training. Advanced tools like AI, machine learning, and big data offer additional advantage, including better forecasting and risk management. Yet, research gaps remain, especially in fully integrated global supply chain. Overall, companies that invest in both analysis technology and organizational capability will gain stronger competitiveness and smoother supply chain operations. That's all for us. Thank you.